How to check order status on Flight Club. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can check order status on Flight Club, and here is how to go about it. Okay, the first step is to log in into your Flight Club account, just like I have done here. Now, you must know that there are two ways to go about this, okay? This is just one of the ways and the most effective way actually. So if you have an account with Flight Club, log in into your account, then move to the top right side where you can see your account tab and just click on it. Then after doing that, scroll down and click on my orders. And then you'll be taken to my account and your orders page. So scroll down, and then once you see my orders tab, you would see all of your orders here. So just go ahead and select the order whose status you would like to find. After selecting the order, you'll be taken to the orders details page, and then you'll be able to find the status, if it has been sent, if it's pending, if it's in progress, or if it has been delivered. You will see it there. Then if you do not have an account, maybe you got the sneakers as a guest, just go to your web browser, open a new tab, and in the search box type Flight Club Order Search. All right, Flight Club Order Search. And so select the first option, which is Order Search. Okay, and then you'll be taken to the page where you'd be able to search for your orders. So you can see manage your orders, enter your order number and email address used to place your order. So you can find your order number in the confirmation email sent to you. So just go ahead, click on the box here, enter in your order number, enter in the email address, click on find order, and then you'll be able to track or find your order status. So that is it, right? Very cool, right? So I'm sure you try this out. Thank you for watching, and ensure you subscribe and leave a thumbs up for this video. Have a good day.